Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to talking about the conjunctiva and its diseases. So the conjunctiva is the translucent mucous membrane. Note one point that there is no conjunctiva over the cornea. Now the parts of conjunctiva. First is the palpebral conjunctiva, which lines the inner surface of the lids. Three parts: marginal conjunctiva, tarsal conjunctiva, and the orbital part. Now the bulbar conjunctiva. It covers the sclera. Third is the conjunctiva fornix. It is the shallow depression joining the bulbar and the palpebral conjunctiva. Now the structure of the conjunctiva, it has the three layers. First is the epithelium, which is non-keratinized squamous epithelium, contain the goblet cells, melanocytes and Langerhans cells. Second is the adenoid, which is a lymphoid layer. It develops after the 3 to 4 months of life from the birth. Third is the fibrous layer. It is a meshwork of the collagenous and the elastic fibers. Now, the plica semilunaris, it is the pinkish crescentic fold of the conjunctiva, represent the nictitating membrane, third eyelid of the lower animals. The caruncle, it is present near the canthus pinkish mass, contain the sweat glands, sebaceous gland, and the hair follicles. Now, the blood supply of the conjunctiva. So the palpebral part is supplied by the peripheral and marginal artery arcades of the eyelids. The bulbar part is supplied by the posterior conjunctival arteries and the anterior conjunctival arteries. The venous drainage is by the venous plexus of the eyelid. Now the lymphatic drainage. The conjunctiva is the only part of the eye which has the lymphatic drainage. The lateral side is drained by the preauricular lymph node. The medial side drained by the submandibular lymph nodes. Now the disease of conjunctiva. First is the acute bacterial conjunctivitis. In this, the conjunctival hyperemia and the mucopurulent discharge of eye present. That's why called the acute mucopurulent conjunctivitis. The causative organism is the Staphylococcus aureus. The clinical features include the symptoms which has the foreign body lacrimation, itching, grittiness, redness due to engulfment of vessels, mucopurulent discharge, sticking, slight blurring of the vision due to mucus flake in the front of the cornea, and the colored halos. The signs present: the conjunctival congestion, chemosis, which is the swelling of bulbar conjunctiva, subconjunctival hemorrhage, resolve in the 3 weeks spontaneously, no treatment required. The treatment is the topical antibiotic. Now the hyperacute conjunctivitis of the adult, the gonococcal conjunctivitis. So it is the gonococcal infection directly spread from the genital to the eye. The clinical features are hyperacute onset, 12 to 24 hours. The symptoms are pain, swelling of lid, acute copious purulent discharge. The signs include the preauricular lymph node enlargement. The treatment includes the systemic therapy, ceftriaxone 1 gram IM for the 5 days, erythromycin 250 to 500 milligram orally. Now the angular bacterial conjunctivitis. The causative organism is Moraxella axenfeld MA, which is diplobacillary conjunctivitis, most common at the lateral canthus. The clinical features are: the symptoms include redness in the angle of eye. The signs are excoriation of the skin around the angles. The complication is the blepharitis. The treatment includes the oxytetracycline 1% eye drop for 9 to 14 days, zinc lotion ointment. Now the chlamydia conjunctivitis, it may be acute inclusion conjunctivitis. The serovirus are D2K, the trachoma A, B, BAC serovirus, the ophthalmia neonatum D2K serovirus, and the other causes. Now the trachoma, it is also known as the Egyptian ophthalmia. The causative organism is the Chlamydia trachomatis, has the inclusion body HP bodies. It is more common in the less than 10-year-old children. Most of infection is the direct spread, vector transmission, material transfer. The clinical features are: during the phase of the active trachoma, the conjunctiva follicles look like boiled sago grains in the upper tarsal conjunctiva. Here is presence of the Leber cells and the necrosis which differentiate the trachoma follicles from the other follicles. The progressive pannus, infiltration of the cornea associated with the vascularization seen in the upper part. During the phase of cicatricial trachoma, results due to the mild grade chronic inflammation, cell-mediated delayed hypersensitivity type 4, the conjunctiva scarring between the lower two-third and the upper one-third, known as the Art's line, Hurd-Spitz scar left after the healing of the Hurd-Spitz follicles in the limbal area. The WHO classification grading of the trachoma. First is the TF, trachomatis inflammation follicular. At least 5 or more than 5 follicles, each of 0.5 mm or more than in the diameter, must present on the upper tarsal conjunctiva, which is round swelling, paler than the surrounding conjunctiva, and the white, grey and yellow in the appearance. Now the second is TI, trachomatis inflammation intense. It is produced inflammatory thickening of the upper tarsal conjunctiva, obscure the more than half of the normal deep tarsal vessels, appears red, rough, thick, numerous follicles partially or totally covered by the thickened conjunctiva. Now the third is the trachomatis scarring, TS, scarring in the tarsal conjunctiva, which is white bands of the sheet fibrosis in the tarsal conjunctiva. The fourth is the TT, trachomatis trichiasis. At least one eyelash rubs the eyeball. Evidence of the recent removal of the interned eyelashes should be graded as the trichomatis trichiasis. The fifth is the corneal opacity. Easily visible corneal opacity is present over the pupil. Pupillary margin is blurred when seen through the opacity. The definition is intended to detect the corneal opacity that causes the significant visual impairment. The complication is the corneal ulcer, which heals to form the scar and leads to the loss of vision. The treatment is the safe strategy. The surgery, which is the tertiary prevention, antibiotic use, secondary prevention, facial hygiene, which is the primary prevention, the environmental changes, primordial prevention. Now the viral conjunctivitis, adenoviral conjunctivitis. First is the epidemic keratoconjunctivitis, EKC, which is caused by the adenovirus type 8 1937. The clinical signs: preauricular lymphadenopathy, non-specific acute follicular conjunctivitis. It is caused by the adenoviral serotype 1 to 11 and 19. The pharyngoconjunctival fever caused by the subtype 347. The clinical signs are preauricular lymphadenopathy. Now the acute hemorrhagic conjunctivitis. So it is caused by the picornavirus enterovirus type 70, Coxsackie A24, adenovirus type 11. Now the ophthalmia neonatum. It is a bilateral inflammation of the conjunctiva in the infants less than 30 days old. The clinical features are the causative agent and the incubation period. The chemical silver nitrate conjunctivitis, it is 6 hours, and the gonococcal 24 to 48 hours, other bacterial 2 to 5 days, herpes simplex 2 5 to 7 days, chlamydia trachomatis is more than 1 week. The treatment include 1% tetracycline ointment or the 0.5% erythromycin ointment immediately after the birth, 1% silver nitrate solution put in the eye of the babies immediately after the birth, Credit's method, not used now. These all are the infective conjunctivitis. Now the allergic conjunctivitis. It is a papillary reaction with the watery discharge and itching. First is the vernal keratoconjunctivitis or the spring cataract, which is the type 1 IgE mediated hypersensitivity reaction to pollen allergens, more common in the boys 4 to 20 years, more common in the summer, named spring cataract, warmer weather conjunctivitis. The clinical features are, the symptoms include the burning and the itching, which cause the keratoconus. The signs includes the palpebral forms, papillae arranged in the cobblestone of the pavement stone, hypertrophy cause the cauliflower like the excrescence of the giant papillae association with the white copious discharge, the presence of discrete whitish raised dot along the limbus, hornal trentas spots. The treatment includes the cold compressions, topical steroids, mast cell stabilizer and antihistamines. Olopatadine is drug of choice. Now the pterygium. The cause is the exposure to the sun, UV rays, dry, humid, high wind, abundance dust. It is a degenerative hyperplastic condition of the conjunctiva. The subconjunctival tissue undergoes the elastotic degeneration and proliferate as the vascularized granulation tissue under the epithelium, which ultimately appears the cornea. The corneal epithelium, Bowman's layer, and superficial stroma are destroyed. Now the clinical features, the signs are triangular fold of the conjunctiva encroaching on the cornea in the area of the palpebral aperture, usually on the nasal side. Two types, the progressive pterygium, the Fuchs spots or the slits of the valve cap of the pterygium, the regression pterygium, there is no cap, deposition of the iron stalker's line anterior to the head of the pterygium. Now the treatment is a surgical incision, high rate of the recurrence. The conjunctival limbal autograft cloud graft harvest from the same eye, usually superiorly. In this, the use of the fibrin glue to stick the autograft in place reduces the operation time. Serum used to fix it. Thank you.